My dear student, welcome to my online class. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today I am going to discuss about function of a noun and a pronoun. I think you know that definition of a noun and pronoun. So noun is a naming word, pronoun is a replacing word. Content of today's class. Noun uses a subject and object. Noun is object of the preposition. Adjective with a noun. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Nouns, singular and plural forms. Nouns, irregular plural forms. Possessive pronoun, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Possessive nouns, noun, subject and object. So balls, bounce, balls, bounce. Balls is a noun. They are used as a subject. Bounce is a verb. Look at another sentence. Joy is a petting a dog. Joy is a noun. Here used as a subject. And a dog is also the noun. Used as a subject of the verb. Let's practice. Lions roar. Lions is a subject. Lions is a noun. Here lions is a subject. Roar is a verb. Look at another sentence. She is wearing boots. She is a subject. His wearing is verb, and boots is object of verb. Look at another sentence. Noun is object of the preposition. Fatima works in an office. Here is a Fatima is a noun. Used as a subject of the verb, and works is a verb. In is a preposition, and office is object of preposition. When you see any noun after the preposition, that will be the object of preposition. Look at another sentence. Avi is writing notes in a book. Avi is a noun. Here used as a subject of the verb. And notes is object of the verb. And in is a preposition. A book used here as object of the preposition. So now look at some common preposition we use in our day-to-day life. About, across, at, between, by, for, and from, in, of, on, to, with. Let's practice. Many people are at the lake. Many people is a subject. Are is verb. At is preposition. The lake is object of preposition. Look at another sentence. Ikra teaches math at CU. Ikra is a subject. Teaches is verb. Math is object of the verb. And at is preposition. CU is object of preposition. So Ikra is a noun. Used here as a subject. Math is also the noun. Used here as object of the verb. And CU also the noun. Used here is object of preposition. Now adjective with a noun. George is a happy man. We know that there is a two modifying word. One is adjective, another one is a verb. Adjective modify the noun and pronoun, and verb modify the adjective, verb, and another verb. Here you will see, I love chocolate ice cream. The chocolate is adjective. Describe about the ice cream. So what is an adjective? Adjective is a qualifying word. So look, chocolate is adjective. Describe about the noun, ice cream. So you'll see here, adjective plus noun. My friend has a cute daughter. Cute is an adjective. Daughter is a noun. Describe about the noun. So we know that only can adjective modify the noun and pronoun. Adjective plus noun. Look, small person is riding a big horse. A small is adjective. Person is a noun. A big horse. Big is adjective plus noun. So look at this sentence. I love chocolate. My friend has a cute. The small is riding a big, and look. So we know that adjective places before the noun. Sometimes adjective follow the be verb. Ice cream is delicious. Here is a noun plus be verb plus adjective. Let's practice. So identify the adjective from the sentence. Please pause the video. First 5 ways to identify the adjective from the sentence. Then match with the answer. The adjective is important. Noun. Here is a nouns, teachers and a people. Here use as a subject and another one use along with adjective. Boys all have happy and sad memories. Adjective are happy and sad, and nouns are boys and memories. First try ways to identify the adjective from the sentence, then match with the answer. Here adjective are noisy and wonderful, and nouns are hotel, peace. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. She knows Rina. She is a subject and Rina is object. So subjective pronoun, I know Rina. An objective form of the I, Rina likes me. Your objective form of the I is me. You know Rina. You is a subjective form and Rina likes you. You also the form of. She knows Rina. She is a subjective form and Rina likes her. Her is the objective form of she. He knows Rina. Rina likes him. Him is the objective form of he. It is a nice day. Rina likes it. It also the objective form of it. So now subjective pronouns and objective pronouns. I is a subjective. Me is the objective. You is a subjective. You also the objective. She is a subjective form. Her is a objective form. He is a subjective. Him is objective. It is a subjective and it also used as the objective form. We know Rina and Rina likes us. We is a subjective form. You know Rina. Rina likes you. They know Rina. Rina likes them. Them is the objective form of the day. Subjective pronouns. We, objective us. Subjective you and objective you. Subjective they, objective them. So I see my teacher. She is a tall. We need that what is the pronoun? Pronoun is a replacing word. The word which is used instead of the noun is called the pronoun. Here she is used instead of the teacher. She is tall. Here she is used as a subject of a pronoun. This is a subjective form. My teacher is great. We like her class. So my teacher is a great. We like her class. Her is objective. Here her class, her is used as objective form of the she. My teacher has a black sports car. It is very fast. It is a subjective form of a black sports car. Third person singular number in case of object. First try ways to fill in the blanks. Later we'll match with the answer. Rita has a new house. She bought it last summer. She is used as a subjective and it uses objective form in the sentence. Noun uses singular and plural forms. 1 button and 3 buttons. So look, 1 button, 2 buttons. Using the S after the word. 1 banana, 6 bananas. 1 card and 3 cars. 1 aunt, 4 aunts. Add S will make the plural. Now 1 baby. So when you see the word end with the Y, therefore that there is a consonant, instead of the Y we'll have to write I. At the S we'll have to make the plural. Look, 1 baby and 2 babies. Instead of the Y we'll have to write I. After that we'll have to use IES. Look, instead of the Y we'll have to write I. Then we'll have to add ES. 1 party and 6 parties. So when you see the word end with the Y, before that there is a vowel, we'll have to add the S after the word to make the plural. 1 toy and add the S to make the plural. 1 toy, 6 toys. 1 ray, 3 rays. When you see the what ends with the F or FE, in the state of the F, we'll have to write B, then we'll have to add ES to make a plural. In the state of the F or FE, we'll have to write the B, add the ES to make the plural. Look at the example, one wife. In the state of F, E, we'll have to write the B, then we'll have to add ES, it will become the plural. One wife and two wives. One life, two lives. Wish, was, glass and text. The what ends with the SAs, CAs, double S and X. To make the plural, we'll have to add ES and after the what. Wish, wishes, was, woses, glass, glasses, tax, taxes. The what ended with the O, and before that there is a consonant. To make the plural, we'll have to add ES, tomato and tomatoes, potato and potatoes. So the what ends with the O, before that there is a vowel, we'll have to add the S to make the plural, those and radius. So now let's practice. Tigers sometimes live in what? Zoos or zoos. Tomatoes. We'll have to use ES to make the plural because the what ends with the O, before that there is a consonant, we'll have to add ES to make the plural. Tomatoes are good in salads. Our new dish will be added ES. We need to add the ES to make the plural because the what ends with the SAs, we'll have to add the ES to make the plural. So our new dishes are orange, green and blue. Those thieves stole my jewelry. We will see the what ends with the F or FE. Instead of the F, we'll have to write the B, then we'll have to add the ES to make the plural. Those thieves stole my jewelry. Irregular plural forms. So one child and many children. So plural form of the child is a children. So look, some irregular plural forms. Child, children. Foot, feet. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Tooth and teeth. Woman,